Snoop Dogg with Sasha Banks, we the best, y'all. Make way for the new, what it do? And if you went away, let me say she coming for you.
Hello and welcome to Sea Gunzels. I am Woodrow and today we are going to be filming the Melbourne Cup Metro specials. We're going to be going all across the route looking for trains, and I hope you enjoy, but for now, enjoy this velocity departing. Okay, so now we have Flemington Racecourse service now arriving at platform 8 of Flinders Street. Here it is, it's about to come on camera. 9:40 am.
Behind the yellow line as this train's now arriving. Believe you me, a side mirror is not a fashion accessory you want to wear today in Melbourne Cup.
And 77 am.
Enjoy your day, have a great day, enjoy the sunshine, hope your horse comes in first. If it does, just remember us at train arriving on platform 9, stay good, please, on platform 9. Frozen Racecourse service on platform 8, will be departing in approximately 2 minutes. Frozen Racecourse service on platform 8, will be departing in approximately 2 minutes.
Okay, Flemington Racecourse service now departing from platform 8.
Is also going to Flemington Racecourse. Train voting on platform 8, stand clear. Flemington Racecourse service on platform 9. Flemington Racecourse service on platform 9. This service will be at 10:44 on platform 9. We'll be departing in approximately 5 minutes. Those arriving down this lane, let's make your way to the southern cross entrance side of the train, as this will be the closest point to Flemington Racecourse when you arrive. Please make your way down the southern cross entrance side, as this will be the closest.
You're nominated for morphine on Saturday. It was anytime you think you want
just give us 25 on the nose for a win. But if it doesn't win, it comes first, second we can't get out.
very good. That's playing on the you said
Yes. No, also that our track man has put down all his tips for today. He's very good. So, he also has been racing
I'm doing race 3. We'll get that
So there's on the viaduct there's a stationary comment. You don't know what that's doing. Oh, hang on, it just started moving. It has people on it though, but that was stationary. Which I don't know why, but it was. So that's cool. We are now just passing by the Melbourne Aquarium.
I'm thinking it's the same team because, he's probably heard 8 times and been watching a few replays. He actually probably knows anyone.
So currently we are travelling down here to go to Southern Cross so we can film a few race course trains there. So we're just about there, so I'll see you in a few seconds. False alarm, we are not stopping at Southern Cross. Don't ask me when our next stop is. Okay, so I've just found out that we are going directly to Flemington, which I find extremely weird because it said on the Metro website that trains would be stopping at... Okay, I've just figured it out. The trains stop at Southern Cross when they're coming back from Flemington. I think that's how it works. Either they're just directions between Flinders Street and... Yeah, don't worry, I'm confused at this moment. I'll just see you when we stop. Okay, so we're passing through the Metro Yard. There's some Commengers there, there's a Siemens set there, 2 Siemens sets there. We're going under the Bolton Bridge, I think that is. Heading to Flemington, I guess, which is cool.
He's a big boy. He was an A-level footballer. Played A-level. So not many. That's exceptional.
So yeah. Okay, we're about to pass by another Flemington shuttle.
Only 9 jockeys and 1 individual jockey.
Okay, I just wanted to film that. Passing through Kensington train station. We're going to pass through Newmarket, then Showgrounds, then we're going to finally arrive at Flemington.
No, we went to the Aga Khan, I think.
Okay, so we are now on the Showgrounds Flemington branch. I haven't been down this route in so long. It's been a long time since I've been to the show, on the Royal Melbourne show that is, and I haven't been to the Melbourne Cup either. So yeah, that's cool. It looks like we're just about to go through Showgrounds station, and well, the showground as well. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. This train is very loud, and I don't have much to do about it. So yeah, sorry. So I'll film us going through Showgrounds, and look at this abandoned siding. There's not even overhead wires, though it looks like there used to be. Oh, well, no trains can go in there anyway. Yeah. Here's the road, and then right here should be and is Showgrounds. Okay, so this is Showground Station.
I didn't stand on my door.
This is cool.
She doesn't make noise.
That train's going through there, obviously.
You leave her safely.
And yeah, see you. Okay. Yeah. Hello, and we're at Flemington. But we're not gonna do any filming here because, well, yeah, because there's security here who probably won't allow us film, so we're not gonna do that. But the good thing is, since no one's here at the moment to everyone's still at the races, no one's going back yet. So the good news is we'll probably have this whole train to ourselves, so I can just do a bunch of talking and stuff about what we're actually doing today and where we might be filming. Okay, I'll see you when we're departing. Okay, so we are now departing Flemington. This is cool. I've never actually been here before, but we're here, so that's cool. So we're gonna so the train's going, and then what happens is we are able to see the race course from where we are, so we might even be able to catch it. And that's the race course over there. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's there. Yeah, so that's the race course over there, and I'll see you around. Okay, just want to film that. That's like an area outside the race course there. And this is cool. We're just on this train by ourselves. We're gonna head back to Flinders Street and then most likely catch a regular train to Southern Cross, and then we'll film some of the specials going through Southern Cross. That's the race course over there. Now it's covered by trees.
Next train on platform 9 in approximately 4 minutes. Next train comes to race course on platform 9 in approximately 4 minutes.
Okay, so this is the last Flemington train that we're going to film here at Flinders Street. We're going to film a few trains at Southern Cross, followed by North Melbourne and then Newmarket.
The top 3 carriages, as this will be the closest point to the track when you arrive at Flemington Race.
Okay, we are now at Southern Cross. The only people on platforms 13 and 14 at the moment. And we're going to film these trains coming through Southern Cross, which is cool. Sorry about the train on platform 12. I think he's stopping. So this is a Flinders Street service, going really slow through the platform and stopping. That's cool. And he has a red signal, that's why. So yeah, see you when he departs. Okay, so the driver now has a green signal and he is gonna go now. Here he goes. first shuttle for today at Southern Cross, and since we have the platform to ourselves, we're probably going to film a few more than we did at Flinders Street. See you soon. Okay, next train. I don't think this is a Flemington shuttle, but it's a train. This is a train going through platform 40. I repeat, this is not a Flemington shuttle. See its black shadow just there. It's honking. Okay. Yep, it's not in service. Slowly coming through because it has this train is slowly coming through because it has a red light from that other train that you just saw going to Flinders Street from Flemington. Hey. Okay, so not in service, Siemens service. Going through because it now has a green light. Shuttle. And guess what? There's a Flemington shuttle going over there. It is now really busy again. When we left Flinders Street, it wasn't really busy, but it seems to be busy again. See you soon. Okay, so we're back. We have another train coming through platform 13 as Flinders Street service. It's going to go straight through because it has a green signal, and I'm going to film it. See you when the next train comes. Okay, so we have a Flemington shuttle coming now. It's going to go to Flemington Racecourse, and so yep, another pre-crowded train going to Flemington. I don't know why all of a sudden became so crowded, because when we left Flinders Street, it wasn't that crowded. Anyway, there's the Wendouree service there as well. Okay, so there's a freight train going through there. That's kind of cool. So that's happening. We're just here waiting for the train. We're gonna do one more either way. So one more on this platform and one more going the other way on the other platform before we move on to North Melbourne. Okay, so the second last shuttle of today, at Southern Cross, is now arriving at platform 13, which is cool. It's going to go straight through, no stops because it doesn't do that. last train of Southern Cross is up next. Okay, so now we have the last train that we're going to film at Southern Cross, Flemington Racecourse service. So, yep. Next time you see us, we will be at North Melbourne. Okay, our first express service is coming through. From the races. And now we have the Flemington Racecourse service going the other way through platform number 6. So this train's coming through. I'll film that coming through. Okay, so just about to come through platform 5 is a Flinders Street service from Flemington at North Melbourne. There's the horn. Also there's a V-Line train going over the viaduct, but we're not here to film those, we're here to film the Melbourne Cup specials. See the V-Line in the background there as this train goes off towards Flinders Street. Okay, I'm just going to keep speaking because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So, Flemington Racecourse train coming through. This train is a service to, Flemington Racecourse, obviously. Otherwise, I wouldn't be filming it. From Flinders Street. There's a comment behind me. So much noise, I won't get a copyright strike. Okay, I'll see you when the next train comes. My shoulder. Okay, so we have, another train arriving. Well, not arriving, it's passing through. It is a service to Flemington Racecourse. It looks like it has a red signal. Is there? I'll just zoom in on it. It definitely looks like it has a red signal. Though it is inching forward past the signal slowly. So it must have been a yellow signal, but something doesn't seem right. Nope, stopping. No? Maybe? Nope, here it comes. That was really confusing, but it's back on track. Okay. Oh yeah, and there's a V-Line train going up over the overpass. Okay, we now have service to Flinders Street from Flemington Racecourse. Or actually, okay. So Flinders Street service to yep, it has a green signal going forward to Flinders Street. So yeah. Okay, while this comment arrives behind me, we are going to film this train. This is a Flemington Racecourse service via straight to Flemington Racecourse, coming straight through. Yep, this will be the last Flemington Racecourse service that we film at North Melbourne. And now we have a Flinders Street service express through North Melbourne. There's the horn, so it's going to come through here, and this will be the last train that we film at North Melbourne. See you at Newmarket. Yes, I did that. And look, here comes a train bound for Flinders Street out of the showgrounds line at Newmarket. So it's the Southern Cross service. Sorry. And it's 8:90 am. Okay, we have another train as a Flinders Street service coming through Newmarket. There is a Flemington Racecourse bound service going through Newmarket. Okay, just quickly, velocity, bound for Southern Cross. Just quickly wanted to get that in. Okay, today we have a Flinders Street service from Flemington Racecourse. Now coming. Let's go. There we go. It's going through. Okay, so there's a helicopter flying over, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the train that's currently going through to Flemington Racecourse. Okay, well that train's going, another train's coming. Flinders Street service. That's coming through. Flemington Racecourse train now passing through Newmarket. This may or may not be the last train that we film.